what that's doing is pushing it back out like this. And that's giving us a better result. Now, with it pretty close to the edge like this, what we can do is we can actually come in, hold down Control, right-click, go to Poly. In this lesson, we're going to build the lips of our character. Alright, so we're just about finished with the head of our character. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and build out the lips for this. Looking at this, we've got, I think, enough geometry. We might need just a little bit more right along the top here, but I think we'll do just fine. Let's go ahead and go to Editable Poly, and I'm going to go ahead and right-click and go to Poly Draw Extend. And I'm just going to start right here in the center. I'm going to hold down Shift. I'm going to drag out this edge here. And let's go to the middle of the lip, and then we'll release that, hold Shift, and then drag out one more. If it helps, hold down Control, Shift, and Alt, and just kind of pull some of those individual points around. Looks like I've got one that's, for some reason, it's not wanting to grab that. Not sure why that is. Okay. And it's not wanting to grab the center. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and take a hold of that. Oh, I didn't see that it was way out there. Okay. I was just missing it. That's what was going on. Let's go ahead and pull this one down just a bit. And for some reason, oh, I forgot. I have edge constraint still turned on. Sorry about that. Poly Draw Extend will not work with that. So let's go ahead and Control right click, go to Poly Draw Extend. And there we go. Now we're back in business there. And now what we'll do is we'll just continue to trace this out. I'm going to go ahead and trace out the top lip holding down Alt, and then Control Shift Alt to reset the position of the new vertex. Okay, we'll go from here to here. And let's see, let me pull this one down. And we're going to create a loop that goes around underneath the lip here. So we're going to make sure that we keep these. These polygons are going to get kind of small, but that's okay. And we'll pull that around. And then this is going to go around the lip here. I'll put that right there in the center. Okay, very good. Now we'll go ahead and we'll do the next row. This is going to butt right up against the mouth edge where the lips come pressed together. And we'll go here. And the same thing through here. It can get kind of tricky in this area because I'm trying to zoom in and I just can't get close enough. So if you hit Z to zoom in on that, that might help you with that issue there. Okay, these are going to get pretty close together here. I'm actually going to go ahead and pull that away from the edge a little bit, so that way I have enough room to actually come in and create a mouth interior. So we'll do something like that. Okay, so I'll just build that up. And you'll see here that as we get close, it's trying to snap that together with the symmetry. Let's go ahead and take our threshold down. Let's go to 0.1 or 0.01. That should give us plenty of room there. And in this lesson, we're going to import a set of character teeth and build the interior of the mouth. Alright, so whenever you are working on something like character teeth, it's okay to go ahead and import those in from maybe another file that you've created. It's a good idea to keep a library of your different character models. So with things like teeth, they're usually pretty generic, unless, of course, the character has a very